Brands embody qualities similar to a human being. UPS Lakshmi and LPS Bosad, with over 2 decades of leadership in the fasteners industry, breathe excellence, speak of unwavering commitment, walk the extra mile for perfection, forge meaningful relationships with customers, embrace technological advancements, and provide a unifying technology to the world. Nestled on a vast over 50,000 square meter campus along Rohtak bypass in India, we stand as global fastener OEMs serving prestigious brands and organizations worldwide. Our cutting-edge, environmentally conscious manufacturing facility has a remarkable capacity of 12,000 metric tons, crafting over 100,000 diverse products. We cater to a wide array of industries, including aerospace, renewable energy, automotive, electric vehicles, heavy construction equipment, infrastructure, railways, metro trains, electronics, and medical sectors. Guided by Mr. Rajesh Jain's visionary leadership and strengthened by a proficient second tier of leaders and doers, LPS Bosad and UPS Lakshmi have firmly established themselves as formidable players in the fastener and component industry.
Since our inception in 1998, we are a truly Make in India company, and it's a global factory located in Rohtak, which is servicing all parts of the world in North America, all across Europe, African continents and Asia. And we have the best global MNCs and Indian companies as our customer. Today we are servicing Boeing, Indian Defence, and our screws have found place in Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan. And every day following the new Industry 4.0, we have intelligent solutions for every customer.
From our raw material warehouse, we embark on a meticulous journey, utilizing SAP for flawless raw material identification and FIFO management of over 350 sizes and grades. Our cold forging part former is crucial for shaping metal components at room temperature, applying high pressure. Our advanced model boasts 6 stations, automatic length adjustment, and a recipe saver. Offering best competence in flat rolling for external thread rolling operations, our machines are equipped with load cell, counter, and reverse thread poker yoke to prevent thread lapse, reverse thread, and all other thread defects. Our multi-spindle turn mill machines equipped with 8 spindles and 30 axes handle efficient multi-operation production from 2 mm to 16 mm. Our CNC technology, supported by Industry 4.0, handles sizes between 2 mm to 32 mm, seamlessly achieving precision turning and machining. Our cobot-operated CNC machines achieve 100% unmanned operations for parts sized 1.5 mm to 48 mm. Our centerless grinding machine offers precision and efficiency in grinding cylindrical components like bolts and screws, ensuring consistent dimensions, tight tolerances, and enhances faster manufacturing quality. Employ NADCAP approved heat treatment and hardening machines with continuous mesh belt handling for components spanning 1.5 mm to 42 mm in length and 5 mm to 300 mm for carburizing and through hardening processes. Automated fume-free SCADA technology electroplating machine can store up to 1,000 recipe programs, handling 10 distinct processes, offering diverse surface treatments like zinc nickel, zinc alkaline, black oxide, stainless steel passivation, cadmium plating, and more. Our auto inspection machine inspects fasteners optically for the range of lengths from 10 mm to 70 mm. Now that our fasteners are ready, we pack them at our automated packing machine, which has the packaging capacity of 12 metric tons per day. Bosad and UPS Lakshmi lead in warehousing innovation with state-of-the-art infrastructure and a massive inventory capacity to meet pressing demands of our clients flawlessly. Committed to exceed our global clients' expectations, we ensure secure and timely deliveries through a comprehensive network of surface, sea, and air transport. Our Naval accredited ISO 17025 lab is equipped with advanced tools, including a NADCAP approved digital hardness tester, coating thickness tester, stereo microscopic machine, profile projectors, and a coordinate measuring machine, ensuring precise fastener assessment and top quality deliveries. The relentless pursuit for professional growth and excellence has made UPS Lakshmi and LPS Bosad industry leaders and a force to reckon with. We have set high standards by obtaining notable certifications and accreditations and are now moving towards the coveted Deming Award. Our success relies on a diverse team driven by top leaders and professionals from various domains, comprising of over 30% women committed to peak factory efficiency. We are progressing toward carbon neutrality with a 2 MW solar system, zero liquid discharge, air quality monitoring, and various such eco-friendly initiatives we have undertaken to attain carbon neutrality soon. Mr. Rajesh Jain is dedicated to community service. The BP Jain Skill Development Center empowers the underprivileged with vocational skills. The Bhagwan Mahavir Library is freely accessible to all. Mr. Jain, a philanthropist, cares for orphans, providing education and support. We promote IT education for disadvantaged children through the BP Jain and Sushila Devi Memorial, enhancing their career opportunities. We also extend our support to widows and orphans to ensure they lead dignified lives. Sponsorship program enable bright students to receive an education. And we also provide exceptional care for the specially abled children who often go unnoticed and uncared. From cutting-edge manufacturing and unwavering quality commitment to empowering our workforce and shaping fastener manufacturing's future, our story embodies excellence, innovation, and social responsibility. We stand for a brighter future driven by dedication, technology, and compassion. And together, we forge a better tomorrow, anchored by our proven capabilities.